Hey guys, well, we made it home, and the very first thing we got to do is get it to where it'll roll. So on the way home, I stopped, picked up a couple tires, and so we'll throw those on right now. We got a tire machine here, so we're golden there. So let's get this thing unstrapped a little bit, jack it up, and put some tires on it. I want to take a minute to thank Milwaukee. They're not a sponsor, but I am in love with their tools. It makes my job a breeze. Five lug nuts, 30 seconds, one-handed. So we'll lay her this side down and see how she looks with a good inflated tire on her instead of that nasty piece of crap. I imagine she looks a lot better. Yeah, baby. Okay, we'll move over to the other side. I didn't know if this side would air up or not, but I just went ahead and got 2 tires instead of 1. I don't want to have to make another trip to town to do that. Here I go, jacking around again. It might be time to go to Harbor Freight, get me one of those quick jacks. Gotta raise this one high enough to get past the wheel, past the fender. Okay. Let's get this tire taken off. Okay, now that we got the tires done, I got them aired up, we're gonna work on the interior. Get this thing vacuumed out and cleaned out a little bit. I wonder if the brakes even still work. Nope, no brakes. So anyways, we're gonna start by vacuuming this thing out and see what happens. We got the interior looking so much better. We still got a long ways to go with it, but it is looking pretty dang good. And then I started lifted up the seat. Well, let me crawl back up here. I went and I lifted up the seat. I saw this. That's the original seat cushion. So I got to thinking that this is the seat cover, and I pulled this back. Look at that, it's not even ripped or tore or cracked or nothing. So before I do too much sitting on that, I need to get some need to lube it up so it gets a little bit soft so we don't crack it. So anyways, we're gonna call that one a wrap. We've got the pickup pretty cleaned out. We'll try starting it on the next one. So I'm just wore out, ready to go. But I think she's gonna fire up. I just have a little clue it would. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.